everybody, welcome back to Samsung in a Minute, the channel that trains you on your Samsung Galaxy devices in around 2 minutes. Today we're going to talk about the multi-function shutter button after you've updated your Samsung phone to Samsung One UI 2.1. Now originally this little icon here, this little shutter button, was able to be used to take a photo, and then once you're inside of your video shooting mode, when you tap on that icon, it'll start recording the video. You're also able to create GIFs or take burst shots. But one of the nice differences that happened with this update is that let's say you're inside of photo, but you want to shoot a video. It's something that came spontaneous. Maybe your video shooting mode is not right next to photo, but it's a way that you're able to press and hold. And as you press and hold, it will record your video. You can do this in landscape or portrait mode. It makes it just super simple and easy. The other thing is that it lets you know that you're able to swipe down on the shutter button to the edge of the bottom to do something else. Now you are able to change this, and you can change it to one of two things. The first one is that if you start from the top and you bring it down, you'll be able to either take a GIF or a burst shot. Now, if you bring it down and then you release it instantly, it won't really do anything. You want to do a press and hold to get those shots done. Now, if you want to change it from, let's say, a burst shot over into a GIF, or from a GIF to a burst shot, just go inside of your settings of the camera, and you have this option here. It's swipe shutter button to edge, and you tell it what you want it to do. So you can switch it to burst shot, or you can have it on GIF. So you are able to keep it on take burst shot, but I have to say that GIF is my favorite one. Burst shot does a pretty good job at taking pictures. You might as well just do single take and get the best image out of all of those. It'll work a little bit better. So I'll show you what it looks like when you create a GIF. So let's say that you move it around. I wanted to move it away from that little white paper that you see right here. So as you swipe down on the shutter button, you're creating your own GIF, and you can send this off in really any social media you want to, Facebook and everything else. So it's a fun way to capture a moment and have it replay and replay and replay. But this was a quick video letting you know that the shutter button actually has 3 functions. Either you can tap it, you can do a press and hold, or you can do a swipe. But I hope you guys have liked this video. If you guys did, please give this thing a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe right over here on the very bottom left-hand side. And if you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.
I got tons of soul, I'm a true collectible. Famous, so famous, #1 desirable. I do what I want, when I want, and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air, that's how I roll. I got tons of